Did you know your workplace could be the source of your cough? Repeated and long-term exposure to certain irritants on the job can be harmful. And it's not just coal miners. You can be exposed to hazardous air particles if you work in agriculture, building and construction, mining, quarrying, and so on. You may be experiencing cough because you're exposed to specks of dust such as silica dust, coal dust, asbestos, chemicals such as cleaning products, isocyanates, or fumes, gases in processes such as welding. Make sure you're always aware of what you're exposed to on your job and that you're taking necessary measures to protect yourself.